Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This video is such a lovely surprise for all the IELTS candidates. You might have noticed one thing in IELTS writing. When we talk about lexical resource, we call it vocabulary. The key to success is synonyms. When we talk about IELTS listening, in the questions and in the audio, they use synonyms. They never use the same words. And in IELTS reading, in the questions and in the passages, they use synonyms. They never use the same words. And when you go for your IELTS speaking test, examiner wants to see how many synonyms you know. For example, they ask you a question in a tone. They want to see how many alternative words you know for that very word. So I brought a wonderful resource for you. I've got this wonderful handout that has been shared by one of my Indian students. This handout contains wonderful synonyms for IELTS. Like if the word is nowadays, for nowadays there are 10 other possible words which they can use in IELTS reading, IELTS listening, or you can use them in IELTS writing as well. So this is going to be a great, lovely resource. It's all very simple to get this. Just like this video, comment below that you need this handout. Okay, make a request. I'm your teacher, huh? Make a request. Say, sir, I need this handout. Please be kind enough to share it with me. And then I'm going to read your comment and I'm going to share this wonderful handout with you. Let me tell you, literally speaking, this handout is going to help you with your IELTS reading, IELTS listening, IELTS writing, and IELTS speaking. And this is going to increase your band score as well. All the best, guys. I also teach IELTS online. If you want to join my online IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. AsadYaqub truly wishes you best of luck and happy learning with this new handout. Take good care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.